In this video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to delete all possible existing viruses here on your iPhone device. And do not worry if you've got a different iPhone device, this should work for you because the steps I'm gonna show you today do work on any iPhone model. Whether you've got an iPhone 12, 13, 14, all the way to 16, 6, 7, X. In my case, I've gotten here an iPhone 12, but do not worry about that. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So the first thing we're going to be doing in here is actually hopping into settings here on our iPhone. Okay, we're going to scroll down all the way to apps down here. We're going to tap on apps and then we're going to search for Safari. Okay, we're gonna search for Safari. Here we go. We've got Safari right here. Now, if you've got issues finding Safari, for example, if you've got a much older software version, the apps option won't be here. I'm running iOS 18. If you've got something much older, you can search for Safari here at the search bar. So simply type Safari, Safari, and then Safari app should be here. You're gonna tap once on Safari and we'll be here on the same screen, right? So once you're here on Safari, the next thing we're gonna be doing in here is actually scrolling down and tapping here on clear history and website data. So one of the most common viruses that we've got on iPhone devices are usually stored in the Safari. So you're gonna tap on clear history and website data and then tap here on all history and tap on clear history. Okay, so this is gonna erase your browsing history, and do not worry because these are just like cookies and websites you've regularly visited. They're gonna be deleted from the history. So this should help fixing the issue for a few people. Now, if this doesn't work for you, do not worry. We're moving into step number 2. So basically on step number 2, we've got a very common type of virus that is usually stored in the calendar. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down all the way to apps again, and then we're gonna search for calendar right here. So here we go, calendar is right here. We're gonna tap once on calendar to open it. Again, if you can't find the apps option down here, simply search here on the search bar for calendar, and then here we go, app calendar, tap on calendar, and then you'll be here on the screen right here. So the next thing we're going to be doing in here is actually tapping here on calendar accounts, right? So next up, you'll be able to see your accounts, which is the iCloud account, your Gmail account, which are the most common ones. And if you see anything strange besides iCloud and Gmail, this might mean that you've got virus. Okay, so there's a common spam virus that usually gets installed in here. It's a random account that keeps on providing a lot of fake and spam advertising here on your phone. So you want to check if you've got in here something extra. If you've got, you're gonna tap once on that strange account and then tap on delete account to delete that account, right? So this is the second method to check for viruses here on your phone. I'm basically covering all the possible viruses that can be installed in your device, so you need to follow all the steps to make sure that you delete all of the viruses. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem that you've got, do not worry. We're moving into the third step, where we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back into settings again. Now, next up, we're gonna tap here on our name. Okay, at the top, tap once on it, and then scroll down, go all the way to iCloud. So over here on iCloud, we're gonna scroll a bit down and tap here on Drive. Okay, so this is a much newer operating system. It's iOS 18. We've got Drive right here, but if you've got a much older software device, you'll be able to see like on a line down here, iCloud Drive. Okay, so simply tap on Drive and then you'll be here on the same screen right here. Next up, what we're gonna be doing is manage storage. It takes a few minutes to load, and then over here we're gonna tap on delete data from iCloud. Okay, so before deleting, double check if you've got any important information on iCloud. Usually we don't store important stuff on iCloud Drive, but if you've got any file on iCloud Drive, simply tap here on review files to check the files and see if you don't have anything here which might be important before deleting all the files on your iCloud drive. Now, at last, if this didn't help fixing the problem that you've got, you're gonna go all the way back to the home page, tap again here on settings, and then we'll need to actually restore our phone. Okay, we'll have to restore our phone, and before restoration we need to back up our data so that we do not lose our personal information, right? So in order to do that, I would recommend you guys to watch this video right here that I've got here in the card, or in the link in the description box down below. So this is a complete video on how to back up your files and how to restore your iPhone device safely. I hope this video really helped you. If you like this video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel, as it helps me to get recommended so that I can help out more people facing the same issue as yours. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.